Monday.com free plan review. So is the Monday.com free forever plan actually a lifesaver or just a clever trap to get you to upgrade? So in this year, it has upgraded its free tier to be more powerful for individuals but stricter for teams. And today I'm breaking down exactly what you get, what you don't get, and how to navigate the new Monday dev interface without spending a single dime. If you're a freelancer or a solo dev, this video is for you. Alright, and first let's look at the hard numbers for this year. So the free plan is limited to 2 user seats, period. If you have a third team member, you're moving to a paid tier. You also get a maximum of 3 boards. Looking at the sidebar in your screen, so we have tasks, bugs queue, and epics. In the free version, you've hit your limit right there. The biggest gotcha in this year is the item limit. You only get 200 items across your entire account. So if you're tracking hundreds of bugs, you'll hit that wall fast. Also pro tip, you can earn up to 800 extra items through referrals, but otherwise you have to keep your boards lean. And then let's jump into the tutorial. So in your My Team workspace, notice the Monday AI and autopilot icons. So in the free version, these are largely a look but don't touch. To stay organized on the free plan, your best friend is the plus icon next to your workspace name, which is this one. And since you already have the 3 boards, you can use the folders to group them. Even on the free tier, you can use the table and Kanban views. To switch, click the Add View button at the top of your board. While Gantt and Timeline are locked, the Kanban view is excellent for managing that bugs queue without paying for the pro features. And now let us talk about what you don't get. So in this year, the free plan has 0 automations and 0 integrations. That robot icon for autopilot, well, it won't work here. You can't sync with Slack and you can't have your tasks update your epics automatically. You also lose out on private boards. Everything you see in your My Team workspace is visible to your 1 other teammates. And finally, you only get 500 megabytes of storage, so if you're uploading high-res designs or video files to your tasks, you'll run out of space by the end of the month. Alright, and let us finally make a final verdict. So is it worth it? Yes, if you are a solopreneur or a student, it is the best looking task manager on the market for $0. And no, if you are a growing team, the 2-seat limit and lack of automations mean you'll spend more time manually moving tasks than actually working. So this year, the standard plan is where the real value starts for teams. And this is the 2026 state of the Monday.com free plan. If this review helps you decide whether to pull out your credit card or stay on the free tier, hit subscribe and like the video.